Without knowing it, most of us are already using artificial intelligence. The most common is speech-to-text. Applications like Alexa, Cortana, and Siri recognize what we say and converts our words into text. Secondly, our recommender systems. Applications like Amazon, Netflix, and Pandora observe what we do and what we purchase, and allows the system to recommend things that are similar. And finally, image recognition. The U.S. Postal Service converts our handwritten addresses into text, and our bank ATMs do the same thing for our checks. My name is Brian E. Numa. I'm president of Strategic Systems Group. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.